So you go S. Hi guys, so it's been a while. We have decorated all kinds of cakes, but we have not decorated a nice decadent chocolate cake. So today I'm going to be decorating 2 of them together because I need them for the front. So let's do it together. So I have one cake board, and I have another cake board. I'm making lots of cakes today. I'm going to roll. So I'm going to record all of them and we can do everything together. All the time I wasn't making a cake. I was literally just dreaming about all the cake ideas, overthinking about it, but things were too busy. I never got any chance to make cakes, let alone record them. But today is a different day. Let's get started. So first I have 2 cake boards. I'm going to do 2 of them together. So let's get started. Put 1 drop of buttercream here, 1 drop of buttercream here. Then we put, I'm using frozen cake runs because my chocolate cake is super duper duper soft. I'm gonna put 1 over here, center it, break all the extra pieces. Okay, and put the second one over here. Now you make a border. So it's of course a chocolate cake with chocolate frosting. Fill it with frosting. Flatten it and put another layer. You put this aside. Take the other cake, repeat the same process. Sides, middle, flatten it. And put the next layer. Now we have 2 cakes that are at the same stage. Now same thing, cover the cake. 1, 2, 3 on top. Smoothen the tops. Smoothen the sides. Clean the edges. Clean the cake board. Clean the cake board. Take in the tops. Okay, and now I'm going to put this one away. Take the second one. Two, 3, top. If you're actually working in a bakery and you guys are decorating these cakes, you should be able to decorate around 5 cakes in 20 minutes. 5 to 6 cakes in 20 minutes. It depends on what technique you're using. And with practice, you can definitely achieve that, because the whole point of running a bakery is making a profit. So if you're taking an hour to decorate a cake, a simple cake, you have to count how much you're paying for ingredients, how much you're paying for the time, how much you're selling the cake for. There's lots of things that you gotta keep in mind. So the only way to win is to learn how to decorate faster and develop a technique, develop a design that does not require, that is not too complicated, that looks nice and pretty, and you're able to make a profit. Clean the sides. Now for the sides, now I have these chocolate shards. I'm just going to break them. Okay, and we put them on the side. And we stick it in the cake. We take out all the excess off and put it back in the container so that there's no wastage. There's one more thing on the top. Okay, let me show it to you. So now to finish the cake, we do an S. So you start from here. It's an S, S, S. And if you have little space, you just make a little rosette. That's your chocolate cake. It's time to finish the other one as well. So we do the same thing. We do the sides. Stick it into the cake. All the extras out, and then it's time for the S. So you go S, that's your cake. Hello,
Hey,
welcome.
how are you?
Good, how are you?
Little baby is okay?
Yeah, he's good.
Yeah.